welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppapig in the rainbow. Let's start painting together. First I'm going to draw the Peppapig face, the nose. We paint the eyes, circle, and a big smile, 2 ears. I draw her body. Now shoes. Now here I draw a tail. Draw her arms. Peppapig painting is finished. Look how happy! What? She is standing in the beautiful rainbow. Now we are going to beautify the drawing with black marker. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start coloring. We paint Peppapig's nose, ears and face light pink. I really like Peppapig cartoon. How about you? And I'm tail light pink. Peppapig's dress light blue. The legs are blue. Now let's see the color of the rainbow. The first one is red. The second color of the rainbow is orange. Please like and subscribe my channel. The third color of the rainbow is yellow. Fourth color of the rainbow is green. The fifth color of the rainbow is blue. See you to next video.